Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices so you can begin immediately. Make sure the TV is on the correct input and connected to the same Wi-Fi as your phone or laptop, because screen sharing uses the local network. If your device lacks native casting, attach a dongle or adapter now, HDMI, USB-C to HDMI, or a Chromecast. Once done, open the display or casting settings on your sending device. We move straight into selecting the TV as the target, so keep both screens visible. Now you initiate the actual connection. Open cast or screen mirroring on your device and scan for the TV name. Choose that name, and when the TV shows a PIN or permission prompt, accept it on the sending device or enter the code. This secures the link. Make sure to adjust resolution, orientation, or audio routing in display settings so the image fits the TV. If performance lags, lower resolution or close background apps to reduce lag and stuttering as you continue. To finish, stop casting from your device or switch the TV input back to its original source. That cleanly ends the session. Make sure audio and video are synced, and optimize quality by moving closer to the router or switching to 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Wired HDMI avoids network issues entirely. If things go wrong, restart the TV and sending device, rejoin the same network, and check for firmware or OS updates. These steps solve most connection and permission problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.